So hey guys, my name is Syed Mukib Ahmed and I'm here to talk about how to prepare jam. Just a minute talk. So preparing for just a minute talk, it needs it is an essential to deliver a impactful speech. In a just a minute talk, you are given a topic and you have to speak it for a minute without any hesitation and repetitively. Uh, or deviation. So first of all, we need to practice regularly. Regular practice is the key to improve our skills and speaking skills. So we need to give some hours in a day to practice speaking skills. They need to improve vocabulary. Having a good vocabulary will help you express your thoughts effectively uh, without any hesitation or repetition. So we need to read books and articles so that we can get knowledge about how to speak and improve vocabulary. So then we need to stay updated, like what is going on in current affairs, social issues and general topics which are knowledge which we can gain knowledge. So then we need to work on clarity and fluency in a just a minute talk. Fluency and clarity is the most important thing, and develop structured thinking. Learn to organize your thoughts quickly. Then we need to listen to others, like we need to observe to others, like on the jam session, how they are speaking, how they are expressing the thoughts and all. And we can get some knowledge by watching them. Then we should learn from feedback. Uh, Give some topics to let your family or friends give you some topics. Then you need to talk on the topic for a minute and let them give you feedback, so you can learn from the feedback. So stay positive, have confidence in your abilities, and believe in yourself. First of all, believe in yourself, and remember, mistakes a part of a learning process. So be authentic while practicing. Find your own voice and style of speaking. Shine through the jam talk. So keep it simple. Don't use any complex words or overly technical words. So uh, the jam talk will get obsessed. So thank you.